Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal, and good evening, friends. My name is Shoaib Khan. Welcome to my channel, AK Universe. Today, I will be doing the unboxing of WaveX brand shampoo. Let me go ahead and start with the unboxing without wasting any further time. As you can see, here is the package. Let me quickly go ahead and unbox the product now. Alright. As you can see, here's the product. So firstly, the packaging is done really good. So firstly, in the package, I see there's a can. This can is of the WaveX brand. As you can see, it's pretty heavy. It weighs about 5 liters and the price is 850 rupees only. And the special thing about this product is it is coming with the technology. It's improved formulation of cleaning. So you would get a very good experience by using this shampoo for your car or even for your bike. So it says extreme wash car shampoo and it's a premium quality, and it says our earnings, your trust. So definitely there's no doubt about the product, because I see that the product has been purchased many times and it has very good reviews on Amazon. So definitely I would recommend this product to you. This product can remove any kind of dirt that is there on the vehicle. With the help of this shampoo, you can clean any surface and make it shine and make it look very clean. You have the foam option in this, wherein which if you have an equipment, especially like I said, it is used in professional places. So if you go to the garage, you will see this product over there. Reason being, you can use it as a foam, and you know the effects of the foam, that it stays there for a long time, and then when you just rinse and clean it up, you will find that the shine is amazing and the car looks as good as new. So definitely this will be a good option for you, and you can use this based on your requirement and your usage. If it's a bike, use it according to the bike's needs, as in how much you require to clean it up. And if it's a car, definitely the amount of shampoo that would be required will be more than the one for the bike. So use it as per your requirement and use it appropriately. And for that, in the package, another item has been given by the company, that is 2 microfiber cloth. Very good. You can see this product is in my hand, 2 pieces. Okay, so in 2 numbers, and both these microfiber cloths are of 40 into 40 size of 350 GSM quality. So definitely this will be good for you. You can use this, and whenever you need to buy an extra cloth, or if you need to purchase it, you can always go to the Amazon website to purchase it. But this is a part of the package, and I strongly recommend you to use this. I have purchased this for my personal purpose. It has very good pH levels, and it can also be used whether it's for the soft or hard water. So definitely the quality of the product is amazing. And if you're gonna use this, please make sure that you are using it the right way. Like, you should not put excess of this because it's having a thick viscosity. So use it according to your requirement. If there's any information that has been missing from my unboxing and information to do with the product, you can find the detailed information in the description below. I will leave a link for the product so that you can go ahead and purchase the product from Amazon. And if you want me to show you a live demo or a demo recorded with any vehicle, maybe it's a car or even a bike, I will go ahead and do that for you and show you the before and after results of cleaning the vehicle with this shampoo. So definitely please let me know, leave a comment, and please go ahead and purchase this product if you want to have your vehicle shining. So apart from that, if you like my video, I would request you to please give your valuable feedback and let me know if you want the follow-up video for this one, and let me show you how it needs to be cleaned, or how would it be when you do it with the help of making it into a foam using the machinery or the equipments required for the cleaning purposes. And if in case you are not interested, even then just let me know in the comments so that I will do the follow-up if you are willing me to go ahead and do the next video for the same product. And I'm trying to do whatever I can for making my audience and my viewers, my subscribers happy, because that's my goal. And as per YouTube, we creators must have this criteria checked, as in we need to be doing almost 4,000 hours of watch time on our videos and 1,000 subscribers. So without your help, I may not be able to go ahead and achieve these goals. So I will be coming up with even better products in the coming days, and I have segregated into two options, which is Hindi and English. You can find the same video in Hindi as well. So if you want, you can check the other video if you want to watch it in Hindi. Request is, please support me and help me to reach my goals and get as many subscribers. And one more important thing to be noted is, we will get the watch time target achieved only if you're watching my videos from the beginning till the end. If not, we may not be able to achieve our targets as soon as possible. So the more you watch the videos for the longer duration, we can be able to achieve our targets. So it's my humble request to my audience, to all my subscribers, to please support us. If you like the video, click on the like button, and please let us know if you have any feedback in the comment section below. And if you have friends, please click on the share button and share this video with your friends, so that I can reach to maximum number of people and I can come up with even better videos in the near future for you. So that's it for the day. I'll be coming with another video on another day. So have a great day ahead, and looking forward to meet you again. Take care. Thank you and goodbye.